We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, Elisan here. Thank you for stopping by. Please stay tuned. Elisan is here for you, okay? Today you're gonna shop my Christmas tree decoration with me, or my Christmas decoration with me. Christmas accessory decoration. Which one? Anyone? You understand what I mean, okay? Yeah. So today is 13th of December. Tomorrow will be 14th. Actually, in my house here, we use live tree for Christmas decoration. We don't use plastic, and they always bring it out on sales. Like they start selling it on the 14th. Like in our district here, it's on the 14th, being tomorrow. So today is Thursday. I need to go buy some accessories because the ones I have last year, everything just broke. Because last year I had the baby and decoration was done with my 6 and 4 years old. Everything just broke. So what I want to do now is to go get some accessories, and I decide to carry you guys along with me, like kind of deep cleaning in my house. The next thing is just to fix everywhere to have that Christmas vibe in my house. If you go outside, especially in the evening when the night falls from 4, everywhere will be like Christmas in the air. So I want to feel that when you entered my house. That is it. So guys, I take you guys along. Come, let's go shopping for my Christmas decor, okay? Yeah.
You a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I'm back from the shop and I'm here to show you some of the things that I bought, some of the decoration things that I bought for my Christmas tree, and at the same time some of the things I bought for my house. So let me start immediately. I don't want this video to be long. Look at this. Look at this. This is a kind of plant. I didn't really see red flower. Although this Christmas I don't just want it to be more of red. So I bought this. This one would be for the table decoration. This table here for the decoration. So I bought this. The next thing I bought is this. I bought these two. I bought this one for my kids' room and for the plants here, for the tree here. So this one I bought it. So this is the light. Candle. Another thing is this decoration. This is a kind of tish decoration. There is this thing I need to buy. That a kind of Christmas, I don't know what it's called, but that long Christmas thing that you can use to decorate around your table. So this one, either I use it to decorate on my television area or I use it for my kids' room. So because I just want to give a touch, put a touch on there. And again, look at this. I bought this as well. This is just for the table there. Like I said before, I don't want too much red this Christmas. I want to do away with red. So I bought only 6 pieces inside. I bought this. I bought these two. This is for here because although you guys are not seeing it, on top of my television there are some decorations there. I need to take them out, then fix this. After Christmas I bring them out. And this bowl, like I don't know how many pieces is here. Although I'm not telling you guys the price, I'm not here to tell you guys the price. I'm here to show you what I bought. Look at this one, silver. These are the 3 things. Oh God, I didn't see any. These are the things I bought. This one is this bending. Is this video bending? If it's bending, manage it like that. I don't even know the position of my camera. So look at this. These two. So and again this 3. I bought this as well. I don't know what it's called. Next thing I bought is, close your eyes and see the next thing I bought. You know why I bought this? I didn't plan buying it, but I went to the shop and I saw it like, wow, I got to buy this. This is black and white. Originally, my house is white and black. The decoration is white and black. My seat is white and black. So any decoration I'm giving to this house is white and black. Whatever I'm buying is white and black. So anything I'm buying is white and black. Unless I just want to add a kind of touch in my living room, I do it, but my living room is white and black. So I bought this and it will help me even it will help me after this Christmas. I still like use it. I think it's a kind of heavy. Dominion won't just scatter everything. So this is what I bought for now. I don't know how it will look in the area of decoration because I needed ribbon. I couldn't get ribbon in the shop, it wasn't there. So and I need to go to another shop to look for ribbon. I spent like roughly 50 euro in all these things. I didn't spend much. So I love this, is the best of everything that I bought. This and this and the brother and the sister. So that's all I bought today, guys. I hope you enjoy shopping and seeing what I bought. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. If you are my returning subscribers, I heart you very well. Thank you so much.